Mario Kilog, Bachelor of Science in Criminology.
My ratio for today is all about in polygraphy number 51. The purpose of this lie is for harmony of relationship. A. White lie. B. Pathological lie. C. Red lie. D. Black lie. White lie, a harmless lie told to maintain harmony or avoiding hurting someone's feelings. Second, pathological lie, frequently compulsive lying without a clear motive, often for attention or personal gain. Red lie, lies told out of anger or malice to harm or provoke others. Black lie, harmful lies intended to deceive or hurting for selfish reason. My answer is white lie, because harmless lie told to maintain harmony or avoiding hurting someone's feelings. Second is number 52. This is the most difficult type of liar because the liar has no conscience. A. Panic liar. B. Occupational liar. C. Tournament liar. D. Psychopathic liar. Psychopathic liar, this type of liar often lacks of conscience or remorse, making it difficult for them to feel guilt about lying. Their lies can be compulsive and manipulative. Panic liars, these individuals lies out of fear or panic, often as quick response to avoid trouble. These lies may be unplanned and less convincing. C. Occupational liar, this is a person who lies frequently as part of this profession of daily routine. These lies are typically more calculated and related to their job. D. Tournament liar, this term is commonly used to describe a specific type of liar, so it would not be correct an answer. My answer is letter D. Psychopathic liar. This is type of liar often lack of consequence, or so ang main point niya dre. This is type of liar lack of consequence or humors. Next is the last, number 53. In the polygraphy, the most important section that records the subject blood pressure and pulse rate movement and the changes and variation of the graph is what section? A. Pneumograph. B. Cardio. C. Galvanograph. D. None of these. Cardio is the section measure that subject blood pressure and pulse rate. It detect changes in the cardiovascular activity, which are the important indicators in polygraph test. B. Pneumograph, this is section measure the subject breathing rate by the monitoring chest or abdominal movement indicating respiratory patterns. C. Galvanograph, this measure that electrical conductance of skin, often related sweating, which can indicate emotional response. D. None of these. These choices is correct because cardio accurately describe the section of the pressure. So the answer is B. Cardio, because section records the blood pressure. So sa cardio, this section measure the blood pressure and pulse rate. It detect changes in the cardiovascular activity. So the answer is cardio. Yan na po, ma'am, at maraming salamat po.